Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Kaval Vijay and today I am going to teach you in MS Excel, lecture number 36. Today we will talk about how we can work with pictures in MS Excel. As you can see on the screen, I have applied a filter here, adjusted the picture, and also added a small formula for the subtotal. Now, the benefit of this is that if I want to see information about any course here, for example, if I want details, I click on Office Management, and after clicking the names of all the students in Office Management, their fees, their pictures, and their total will automatically be displayed here. So if I click here and then if I click on water or on graphics and select that, you can see that the graphic students are now being shown here. So today we are going to learn in detail how to design this kind of pattern. As always, before starting the lecture, I would like to say that if you learn something new from this video or if you find it useful, please do like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. So here we come to sheet number 2. By clicking on the plus sign, we create a new sheet and then we increase its zoom from here. Now I'll enter some dummy data here on the right. We'll need to create a small database to accomplish this task. So I've typed here student, record, sheet, and then I've typed SR number, student name, then I've typed cost, and after that I've entered free, and then we'll add photo here. After that, what we need to do is type serial number 1, and after clicking here, if you drag with the control key, numbers will be added automatically. So let's type in some names like I typed Ali, then Jahad, Mohan, Rajesh, then Majid, and after that Umair. Now let's type some courses here. We'll write a few courses here like I wrote Office Management, then Graphics, then AutoCAD, and then we'll quickly add more like Angel and Office. After that, if you double click here, you'll see that it auto fits for us. Now after that, here I added some fees like 2,500, 1,500, 3,500, 4,500, 6,500, and 2,000. We've added the fees. Now after that, we need to add pictures here. But before that, let's select the heading here and merge it, center it, and after centering, set the font size to 26. Then let's fill it with color like I filled it with orange. Select all the cells as needed and apply all borders. Now after that, we need to add pictures here. To add a picture, what do we need to do? We'll go to Insert, then go to Pictures, select this device, and then go to the drive where your pictures are stored. So in my case, the pictures are in the Falcon photo folder, in the wallpaper folder, where I have passport size pictures. So here, whatever 45 pictures there are, I'll select all of them with Ctrl and add them. After that, as soon as you click Insert, these pictures will be added here. Let's zoom out and see all the pictures have now appeared on the page. Some pictures are big, some are small, so we need to resize all the pictures together. So I want to set the size for these pictures. 0.5 by 0.5 meaning half an inch by half an inch. So what do we need to do for this? First, you have to select all the pictures. For example, if you have the pictures selected, but if you accidentally click on another cell, it will become difficult to select all the pictures again. Even if you click on Find and then select all, not all your pictures will be selected here, or if you press Ctrl, they still won't all be selected. So what do we need to do for this? Click on the Home tab, then go to Find, and after that select Objects. Here you need to click on Select Objects. Hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and you'll see that all the objects on the page except for the text will be selected. Now to resize them, go to Picture Format, and after clicking on Picture Format, look at the last group here. Click on it and a panel will open in front of you. If you have an older version of Office, a separate dialog box will open where you can click on Properties and apply this command. So in this way, it will open up for you. You need to uncheck the lock option here and then enter your desired size. Enter 0.5, then use the tab key to move down, enter 0.5 again and press enter. You'll see that the size of all the pictures has now decreased. They have all been resized. If you scroll while holding down the Ctrl key, you can zoom in or out as needed, or you can also scroll from here. After that, what you need to do is click on all these cells like this and take a look. If we try to click here, the click is not working because the command we activated from here was select object. That means this command will only work on objects. If you click anywhere else on the cells, it won't work. So you should turn off this command from here. Now in this way, you need to select all the cells for however many students you have, and then by clicking here, we can increase their size all at once. So as needed, I have increased their size like this. Now one by one, you will select the pictures and keep adjusting them inside. If you want to increase the size even more, we can make it bigger here as well. See, I am increasing its size a little more. Let me do that now. 45.75, so you can see the height size here. Now after that, click here and we have to adjust it here. In this way, for all the pictures you have here, you need to click on them one by one and adjust them like this. So here we have 6 students, but I have added more pictures, so let's delete the extra ones. So in this way, you need to select your pictures. Select all the cells, and after selecting them, you have to align them center to center. After that, what we need to do is, if you want these pictures, if you have an older version of Office, like Office 2000, 2016, 2013, or 2010, then you will need to activate one command from here. If you have the latest version, like I have Office 2021, then in this version, this command is already selected by default. So which command is selected? For that, what we need to do is click on the picture, go to Format Picture, and then here, click on Picture. Then you need to go to Picture Properties. When you go to Picture Properties, the command for Picture Properties will be activated from here. So here we will click on this, and after that, you also need to click on Properties. Then you will see that we have the Move and Size with Cells command. You need to activate this command here. Click here, and after clicking, make sure this command is activated so that whenever we move or resize the cell, your picture will automatically move and resize accordingly. You can see that as I move the cell, the picture adjusts accordingly. But if we come down to the picture below, no such effect is being applied to it. So wherever you click, this will be applied only to the picture you click on. So here we click on each one in turn, click on Move and Size, then click here, again on Move and Size, then after that click on Move and Size and keep clicking on Move and Size. The benefit of this will be when you apply a filter and then select any one course, only the images for that course will be shown here. After this, what you need to do is, with the Shift key, select all the pictures like this. With the Shift key, select all the pictures in this way. After selecting, you will then go to Picture Format, and after that, go to Alignment. Align them to center so that all the pictures come together in a single line. Now after this, we have to select all the headings. After selecting all the headings, you need to go to Data. Once you're in Data, go to Filter, and after that, if we select any course from here, for example, here I have selected Office Management. Now, only the students of Office Management are showing up for us. If we click here on Jail, then only the students of Jail are showing up for us. If we click here on Jail Office Management, then the students of both are showing up for us. So you can see that the pictures for the selected course are being displayed here. If we click on All, then you can see that all the pictures are being displayed here. Now after that, if you want to find out the total here, we want that whenever we select Office here, the total for Office should appear. If we click on Jail, then the total for Jail should appear. If we click on AutoCAD, then the total for AutoCAD should appear. So for this, what we do is click here. After clicking, I wrote total here, and then we will apply a small formula here. Type use and then write subtotal. As soon as you write subtotal, you will see the formula appearing in blue below. Here, we will use the tab key. The formula gets added, so as soon as you use the tab key, a list also opens up in front of you. You need to see which number sum is on here. It's on number 9. You can directly type 9 here as well. So see, the number for sum here is 9. If you use the tab key, 9 will be added here for sum. Type a comma and then you need to give the range here. We want to sum this data from here to here. After that, close the bracket and press enter. See, the total fee submitted for the mark is now showing here as 20,500. We select this, go to home, merge it, and then we need to give it a pattern. This one, after that, we come here, click here, and I gave it a blue color, and then I did this. And after that, here we apply all borders to it. Now see, as you select any course here, for example, I selected Office Management, then you can see the total for Office Management is showing below. If you click here, let's say on Graphic, then the total for Graphic is showing here. We had only one student for that. And if we click on JALP, then the total for JALP is showing here. If we want to know the total for both JALP and Office Management together, then see the total for both courses is automatically showing here. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how we can adjust pictures inside cells in MS Excel and how to move pictures along with filters, including subtotals. I hope you learned a lot of new things in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.